So for my first step, I'm picking up the Glossier Futuredew Oil Serum Hybrid. This is a newer product for me, but I'm absolutely obsessed. So I take about 2 pumps, rub it between my fingers, and then lightly just apply it to my face. They recommend to use this product after all of your skincare, so even after moisturizer, for a dewy base to any makeup that you might be applying on afterwards. And it's just so nice. It doesn't feel sticky at all. It's made with nourishing oils and it just feels absolutely amazing going on the skin. Especially on the weekends, I really like to go barefaced unless I'm creating content. So a product like this that you can kind of wear alone and have such a glossy, dewy finish to your skin. It's one of my favorites recently, and definitely try it out if you're looking for something like this. Now for step 2, I'm going to prime my face with the Pony Effect Strobing Luminizer. I do recommend when you're going for a dewier look to your skin, pick up a luminizer product or some type of primer that you can mix in with any oils or moisturizers that you may have. This one has pearl pigments in it, so it just makes your skin look super dewy, and especially when you're putting on foundation on top of it, it just comes right through. It's so easy to blend in, and I find that when I wear this product, it really does help my skin stay moisturized for about 12 hours. So I am absolutely obsessed with this product as well. Okay, now that we have a glowy and dewy base, the next thing I'm going to do is start color correcting. This step has replaced my concealer and I absolutely love it. This is the Pearly Powder Ink Corrector in purple. I'm just going to pop that underneath my eyes here, a little bit onto my forehead and my chin, just on the high points of my face. And I'm going to take a little cushion puff here and I'm just going to lightly blend that out. I honestly love this step because it really does brighten up my face. You're trying to pull off the dewy foundation look. Things like lighter concealers really do help with the look of real natural glowing skin. So that's one of my favorite products when it comes to just brightening up my dark circles. Now moving on into cushion foundations, I absolutely love cushion foundations because they're so compact and they really do help you achieve this beautiful glass skin look that's super natural. I've done an entire video about creating cushion foundations and finding the right one for you, so please go ahead and check that out. But currently I'm using the Pony Effect. This is the Defense Longwear Cushion Foundation in Rosy Ivory. Pony Effect really does make some of my favorite creating cushion foundations. They're super easy to wear, they're blendable, they're very lightweight. Depending on which cushion foundation you pick up from Pony Effect, they do give you either medium coverage, sheer coverage, buildable full coverage, and this is kind of more towards the medium buildable coverage. So you can see how my skin tone is already just evened out and the redness has really gone down. This product also has SPF 50 plus, so it's a great thing to put on, especially when you're going outdoors, but it's also protecting your skin indoors. And as you guys can see, the cushion foundation gives you just such a beautiful glow, and with all the products underneath that we applied earlier, it really does just give a natural, very dewy, glowy glass skin look. Now moving on into the last step, I do love applying the Can Make Marshmallow Finishing Powder. It's honestly one of my favorites. It does have a pink undertone with pearl finishes to it, which actually helps with brightening up your skin, especially in the darker areas. So I like to apply it underneath my eyes here and a little bit onto the T-zone. I love this product because it doesn't cover up all of the dewiness that we're trying to achieve with this foundation look. It just lightly covers up a little bit of the darkness and gives a little bit of a velvet finish to places that might get a little bit more oily. So you can see that we still have the dewiness, but it just lightly covers up some of the darkness and gives a little bit of a velvet finish. So those are the steps that I do to get this dewy glass skin look that's super moisturized. Honestly, this stays moisturized for so long. I am going to apply blush and a little bit of contouring, but other than that, you can see that it just glows from within. So that's gonna be it for this week's upload. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and are able to take away something from this video to implement into your own foundation routine to achieve the ultimate Korean glass skin look. Thank you guys so much once again for supporting my channel. And if you did like this video, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss uploads every single Sunday about Asian beauty, skincare, or lifestyle. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.